Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from HelpTech, and in today's guide video we are going to discuss how you can create an account or sign up on the Life360 Circle or Family application. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one. And without any further ado, let us get started. So in today's video, we are going to learn how you can sign up on the Life360 application, which is a family tracking app. So in order to get started, the first thing you want to do is simply make sure you have actually downloaded as well as installed the Life360 application to your device. If you have not yet downloaded this application, you want to simply open your device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type Life360 and then go ahead and download this application. So after we have downloaded it, what I'm going to do is simply open this application right from here. And if you already do have an account, then at the bottom you can see an option called sign in. You can simply tap on sign in and enter your login details and then sign into Life360 again. But in this video, we are going to learn how you can sign up or create an account. So in order to do that, what you want to do is simply tap on get started button right over here. As you tap on get started, you want to simply type in your number which you use. You make sure you enter an active number, and then at the bottom you need to go ahead and tap on the continue button in the yellow color. As you tap on your number, if you already do have an account, it will ask us to enter our password. Then go ahead and choose a password for your device. Once you do that, at the bottom you need to go ahead and tap on continue again. If the password is correct, it will log you into your device. So as you can see, we have been logged into our Life360 Circle or the Life360 Family Tracking application. At the bottom, you want to simply agree to all of the terms and conditions which you see. Go ahead and tap on accept all. Once you tap on accept all, you also want to give your location access to this application. So tap on OK and allow all the location permission it requires. So go to location permissions and then tap on allow all the time. Then we want to simply go back and then run the family tracking application again. You also want to turn on your GPS again by going to settings and then turning on your location right over here. So as you can see, we have successfully signed up as well as created an account on the Life360 Family application. We hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.